Hello friends! Welcome back to the Mystery Mode channel. I'm so excited to share today's video with you all, as we'll be doing a very unique and fun unboxing. We'll be comparing two versions of the iPhone 15 Pro. The regular iPhone 15 Pro versus the Labubu iPhone 15 Pro. But with a twist. These iPhones are made of paper. Yes, you heard that right. Today's unboxing will feature DIY paper models that I created all by myself. I used materials like paper, cotton tape, markers, pencils, scissors, and erasers to bring these paper iPhones to life. It was a fun and creative challenge, and I'm really proud of how they turned out. I hope you'll enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed making them. If you're interested in learning how to make your own paper iPhone, I'd be happy to share the process with you. Just drop a red heart emoji in the comments, and I'll make a tutorial on how to create your very own paper iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Sharing the video and leaving a comment also helps me so much, and I would really appreciate it. It takes a lot of time and effort to create all of these paper models and videos, and your one like Sao means the world to me. Which iPhone would you prefer? The normal iPhone 15 Pro or the Labubu iPhone 15 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for all your support. Your kindness and encouragement help me continue creating these fun and creative videos. I couldn't do it without you. So please keep supporting the channel. I'm truly grateful for each and every one of you. Enjoy the video, and thank you again for being part of the Mystery More community.
Wow!